Welcome to Activity 55 A Little Harder. In this activity, we will be developing the strategy of partitioning 2 parts using 5+ bonds to solve addition for holes up to 34. To complete this activity, you will need one of each bond block from 1 to 4, 2 5s, and both empty 10 frame blocks. If you have original boards, please place them inside a right and white sleeve. This board can be used for 3 different games which increase in difficulty. The first level is to fix this spinner on 5 and spin spinner 2. The next level, place this spinner on 15 and spin the second part spinner. And the final level, spin both spinners. Let's begin. The numbers on spinner 1 are represented here. The numbers on spinner 2 are represented here. We will use 5+ bonds. The number 5 is represented like this. 15 is represented with a 10 and a 5. Looking at the second spinner, 15 is already represented for you. 16 is one more. 17 is 5 and 2 like that. Make sure it's not in the middle but lined up on the edge, just like when we fill the counters on a count 10 frame. 18 is 5 and 3. And 19 is 5 and 4. Player 1 goes first. They spin 15, add 15. The top 15 I represent with 10 and 5. The bottom 15's already built. After representing it, I rearrange them to build 10s. And I can see that it's 3 10s, which is 30. I record this equation in my playing board. I spun 15, add 15. However, I rearranged this to be 10 on the top row and 20 on the second row, and this is 30. When we write equations, the equal sign means balance. If this is a scale, everything between the equal signs are called expressions. This and this and this all need to be worth 30. Or the same. Player 2 has their turn and they spin 15, add 17. They build the 15 here with 10 and 5. They build the 17 here. We already have 15, so that's 2 more. My second step is we rearrange the blocks to build 10. So I now have 10, add 2, add 20. Or I could see 30, add 2, which is 32. I'm going to record this. I spun 15, add 17, but I rearranged it to make 30, add 2, which is 32. And I'm just going to check that this is worth 32, this expression's worth 32, and this is worth 32. The winner is the player who makes the largest sum or whole. That is player 2 for this round. I will model one more where I spin a 5. If I spun 5, add 19. In the first spinner I would place my 5, and the 19, I need another 4. My next step is to rearrange the blocks to build 10s. I now have 20, add 4, which is 24. I record what I spun, which was 5, add 19. I write an expression, which is what I rearranged it to be 20, add 4. And this is worth 24. I will check each expression is worth 24. That expression's worth 24, as is that one. Now it's your turn.